So I picked an awesome old Olympus film camera kit up recently, and it just came with a bag of stuff and a bag. More on this camera soon. But this guy, I'm going to show you how to fix the light meter on this. You don't really need one on an OM-1. They're mechanical, so the light meter is a convenience, but I'll show you how to fix it. So here's the bottom plate on the OM-1. There's a screw here, 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 and here. So 4 screws. You pop those off and you can access the back. Let's do it. So I got the bottom plate off the camera, this beauty old Olympus OM-1, and the meter's not working. This is the connector. This would go, how did it go? It went in like this, and you can see where it's screwed down here with these tiny little screws. And basically what was soldered on here was this little wire. I don't know if you can see it. It's absolutely tiny. It's like an armpit hair. So this guy has plastic on it. You know, you got to skin this wire, and you're not going to do it with your Swiss Army knife or anything else, or a wire stripper. There's a way to do it with these little tiny guys, and I don't know if you can see it there. It is tiny. So instead of me soldering it, I'm not a big solder guy. It's too tiny little crap. I'm not into that. I'm gonna just take this plastic off. I'm gonna skin this piece of wire, and I'm gonna bring it down to where this guy screws into the camera, and I'm just gonna pin it there. So it's gonna be stuck there, you know, to screw it in and make the connection, and that's it. No soldering for me. So the easiest way to do it, and again, you're not going to do this with a knife. You see that there? See how tiny that is? You're just going to heat that up with your lighter or whatever you got going on, and you're just going to pull that plastic off. I can smell it burning. There you go. I don't know if you can see it. And there, I've got some wire, and it is skinned. I don't know if you can see that, but I pinned that wire under the contact instead of trying to solder that on. I would have gone ballistic. There you go, guys and gals. It's fixed. You can see the meter on the left side. It's moving around as I change the aperture settings. You don't really need it on the OM-1. That's what's awesome about it. It's mechanical. No issues. That's how you do it. Good times.